Hey guys, first time setup here. This is the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. Just going to kind of show you how to set it up first time here. So this is the water container on the back. It's adjustable, it comes off. Pops off just like that. And you can move it to the side or on the back, however it best fits when you're first setting it up here. All right. So this is the machine here. And it comes with, this is the papers for it here. You can go through it. It comes with these pods as well. And this is the instructions here. We've gone ahead and already washed off the fill container, filled it up with filtered water. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn it on. You're going to kind of wake it up here. And you're going to press this top button 3 times. And what that's going to do is that's going to go ahead and wash with the water in the back. It's going to do it for about 12.5 ounces. I think it does it a little bit more. I had this full cup here, and I had one more by it as well, and I think I had to put a little bit more in the other cup. So it's going to run like this for about 5 to 8 minutes or so. It is important you do this before you start using it with coffee, just to clean out the system. Make sure everything's all set up. So we filled the water tank. These are the different sizes here of coffee it can make. I'm just kind of showing you that here. All right, so it's flashing orange. That's kind of what it'll do when it's running here, and it'll be green when it's all done. And you press that bottom portion to open it up. This here is where you put the coffee pods. And after you put it in, to close it, you just press this button one more time. And just like that, and it'll close. You don't have to press it down like the previous versions and lock it. So on the back here, this is where you remove the little ribbed compartment here. And that's where the empty pods are going to be here. It holds quite a bit, I think, too. So that's it, guys. Hope this helps out. And this is just the first time setup of the Nespresso Vertuo Plus. So far, it runs pretty quiet. I think it's a good machine that you just put the little tray back on and you're good to go.